Hey, welcome to my channel. So I decided to color my hair blue. I know, random color. It's like almost this blue, close to this blue. So I shopped for the product online because I couldn't get them in the stores for some reason. Okay, most of the products were semi-permanent dyes at the store, so I decided to just buy them online. I ordered them from iHub. Was it iHub really? No, it's called lookfantastic.fr.fr. So yeah, let me show you that. So we have the bleach because I have extremely dark hair, so I'm going to have to bleach this hair before actually my hair is black, so I'm going to have to bleach this hair before. It's called Total Bleach by Bleach London. I already opened the packet, so and inside we have 2 packets. I don't know if you can see, of bleach powder, a reincarnation mask. I guess it's supposed to protect you from the damage that bleach does to your hair. The developing lotion, and the instructions. And then for the dye, I got Colorista Permanent Gel, blue black, high intensity, shimmering color, long lasting, I hope, by L'Oreal. And inside the box I got post bold color mask. So I think it's like a hair mask to help your poor hair after. And then this is developing cream. It's refusing to focus, but yeah, you just know it's the developing cream in a applicator bottle. The instructions and everything you need. And finally, oh yeah, a pair of gloves. And the coloring gel. Really not happening this focus, yeah. Anyway, yeah, so that's what we're going to be working with today. So yeah, let's do this. So I'm starting with that hair, extremely dirty hair. And I need to apply some Vaseline around to prevent it from bleaching my skin. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm getting the Vaseline on the edge of the hair. I'm so nervous as to how this is going to come out. Oh my god. But I still haven't decided if I'm dyeing also the ends, like the short ends, or not. So wait and see. So it says here I'm supposed to use both of the of the sachets, but I think I'm going to use one since I have short hair. And yeah, well, let's start the mixing. Oh, and half of the developing lotion. So I'm mixing this this. It smells like ammonia. Oh, please. So it's like 5-10 minutes into bleaching, and this is how my hair is faring on. So yeah, that's how it is. I wait a little longer. I guess I want it a bit lighter because my hair is really dark. So as you can see, like this part is like joking, while this part is like doing the thing. So it's been almost 30 minutes, and yeah, roughly 30 minutes, and I'm going to wash this off, and I'll see you. I'm gonna wash this off and I'll show you how it comes out. You can see this is the only part that got the bleach perfectly. The rest of the hair is in a state of confusion. My roots are mostly black, so I'll just re-put some bleach on this side. See, black resistant. Anyway, I'll re-put some bleach on that side and a bit on this side, just while there's still a lot of black. And yeah, see how that goes. So this is me after the second round of bleach. So you see, not all my roots are perfectly dyed, but that's fine. This is how it looks. Side. I'm contemplating staying like this for a while, but I don't like blondes. I don't like blonde on myself. So let's go blue. So in this app, I had really shown you what's here, so I'll just go ahead and read the instructions and mix. So it's a liquid. So I'm here to mix this. Hi, so I come back to you here. Hey, today I'll put some makeups because I was shooting another video, but anyway, I forgot to come back to you with the results of the dyeing of my hair. So this was the results. As you can see, my hair is as black as ever, blackest. The goal was to go blue black, but this dye was just like, no, black it is. I know. Now I just have black damaged hair, but I don't mind it. We saw the worst thing that could have happened. You can't see some blue in the sun. Actually, there's some sun. We can try. We can really try, and I can see if I can show you the blue in the sun. Let's see. Let's see if you can see the blue in the sun. But if you don't see it, sorry, you already know it backfired. Okay, there you have it. This is the dye in the sun when there's a bit of sun. Okay, now when I'm going to shoot with the sun, the sun decides like, nah, I'm done with you. Okay, thanks, sun. Thank you. Oh, wow, thank you. But anyway, this is how it looks. This is a final look. I'm not mad at it, but I hoped it would be a bit bluer. One more thing, it's still, I feel like it's still, how do you say, the color is still showing in my shampoo. So like when I wash my hair, I can still see the color coming out. I don't know if it will all wash out. I'm scared of that. Oh, sun. Anyway, yeah, I'm not so mad. But let's see how it goes. My friend tells me to lighten into the color I want, into the blue. But anyway, I'm not so sad about it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.